Hey everyone, I'm back with another unboxing. This time I got this Crock-Pot food warmer. So the idea is you put food in this, you bring it to work, you plug it in, and by the time it's lunchtime, you'll have a hot meal, or hopefully at least warm meal. It does not cook. It's not a cooker, it's a warmer. And despite the size that you see here, supposedly I think it's like only around 20 ounces, which is not much more than a can of soda. But let's open it up and see how much space you really get for food. I picked this up directly from Crock-Pot for like $10 shipped if you bought 3. There was also a deal at Sears recently where they're $20. If you buy 2, you get like $40 back. No, they were $22.50 each. If you bought $40 or more, you would get $40 back in their Save Your Away rewards points. So this makes it like $2 and change each, but I didn't want to go through that because like Sears is going out of business and all that, so I didn't want to do that. So too much trouble. So let me open this up. This is a rather big box. So here it is. There's the lid, everything is taped down, and there's a cable management on the bottom for your wire. There it is. Cable management, power indicator. So let me take some of this tape off. So the lid is screwed on. Oh wow, it really is small. So look how big the unit is, but look inside. It really is about 20 ounces. So this is the full container that you can fit food in. You can see my hand right here, how big it is in relation to that. So let's see how you get this open. So this just pops right off. And that's all the food you can bring. I think I'm going on a diet. I mean, I'm Chinese, man. I need room for rice and then other stuff, right? Like I said, diet. There it is. There's even a max fill line, so I can even like cram things in here. So you see the max line right there near the top of the rim. So this would be great for like chili and soup. I'll just have to pack things in. Yeah. So you put it in, you put this lid on, you put this outer lid on. I don't know if this is like a vacuum seal kind of thing, but you do that and then you plug it in. So it's probably like a 3 feet long wire. Do not immerse in liquid. Yeah, all right. Well, there you have it. I'll probably try this out at work tomorrow and see how it goes. All right, let me know if you have any questions or comments. I'll be sure to reply. If you want to get one of these yourself, go to the Crock-Pot website and get your own. But otherwise, there it is. All right, please help me get to 1,000 subscriber, guys. I would really appreciate your help. I'll see you next time. Bye.